everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys a flip through of my cat journal, my little kitty cat journal that I finished. And you can see I did a bunch of hand stitching on the front here. So what it is fussy cut. I fussy cut out the cat and the little flowers and pots and stuff from fabric. And then I did some embroidery, just some slow stitching throughout, as you can see here, just a little slow stitching. And even the brown part right here, I don't know if it shows up on camera, but each little triangle I hand stitched in with some brown, and then did around the kitty like that. So it was really fun to do. And then I did some fun just, it was like a wire with some just like sparkly fabric on it or something. Like it was like a fabric, yeah, like a sparkly gold. So I just twisted those around and glued those on. And I thought those are cute. And this is the background of the whole thing is cotton. It was a cotton tablecloth. And I showed you guys how I eco printed on it. And we did some fun eco printing here, as you can see. And I could put that video up in the right hand corner so you guys come check it out. There's a whole playlist, and you can come see how I did it, and you could, you know, make one yourself. And they turn out really fun. They're really easy and fun to make. So did some eco printing on it, and then some more hand stitching all the way around. And then it's bound in. Okay. Did just a couple of wooden beads hanging from it. And the closure is a seam binding. It's just seam binding. Okay, and then a little cluster with a button and stuff. So I had a lot of fun doing this whole cover. And this is going to be in my Etsy shop. It is in there as of now, so you guys come check it out. And even if you don't come to purchase anything, if you favor my shop, it helps out a lot. It really does. And I'd really appreciate it. Okay, so to start off here, I have some fun vintage ephemera. And there is a story behind this. I'll tell it real quick. But my my mother-in-law was looking through boxes, and she found old paperwork from her grandma. So it would be my husband's great-grandma. And I went ahead and I photocopied some stuff, and it's vintage ephemera from the 30s all the way to the 50s. So, I mean, I even have some clippings here from 1930, and it's all original that I scanned and photocopied off. So it's all original vintage paperwork that's copied. And I put some in here, and it's got some fun, it's just neat to look through, you know. It's really fun. And I did it on tea-dyed paper, so it looks really cool. I got like the authentic looking look to it. So this journal will come with that. And a lot of stuff was typed with the typewriter. So I thought that was really fun. So that comes with the journal. Just a little fun little care package. Okay. And as you can see, I just did some stenciling back in the background with a little, I think I used linen, the ink here. The Distress Oxide, actually, and did that with the white, the linen, antique linen. Made a little pocket here with the masterboard that I did. I'll make sure you guys can see. And did some sewing throughout and some just stenciling. And, yeah, so it's just some fun crackle. This isn't crackle paste. This is actually the, here, it's this one, which is Distress Texture Paste. And I'll actually make sure to put this one down below. I don't know if I have this in my Amazon links or not, but it actually came with this and the crackle. So it was like a set. So I'll make sure to put those down in my Amazon links down below. You guys come check those out. Those are fun to play with. But that's what this is the texture paste. Some stencils, which I have a bunch of stencils that I can... You just come check out my Amazon links down below, and they're... really fun stuff to play with down there. Okay, and this one is just a little fold over of a tea bag, and a dried flower. So I did a pressed dried flower on here and, you know, decoupaged it on, and then did some stenciling and stuff and a little cluster. And then made just a little copy of some EcoPrint stuff that we did. Okay, and that just clips onto here. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today and getting out all your craft supplies and getting some stuff done, you know? Getting some projects done. Those are always fun to do. Okay, that's the other side of it. So it just got some nice lace that's tea dyed throughout and coffee dyed, and just little clusters. Some painting papers that we did together. I could put that in the right-hand corner if you guys want to check out that link. That's a fun one with some deli paper. And let's see, more stenciling. Just a fun little, this is the faux rice paper that I did, and I did some with the, just some different fabrics and stuff to come check out. So I could put that in the link up here if you want to come check out the faux rice paper, which is fun to play with. This is just, I thought this was cute. I made this a while ago, and it's got a snap. They're little snaps. And then it snaps back on. I just thought it was fun. Thought it'd be fun to play with. Okay. And just some more little things. A little flip here. Some just intersewing. And I really love these cards. I got a bunch of them at Goodwill. I got like a stack of them, and they're really cool. They just got pretty. The birds are so cool in it. And I just thought birds and cats would be pretty funny, so I put some birds throughout. I just thought it would be funny. Kind of, you know, a little theme here. Okay. It's just a little journaling card made with some watercolor paper, so it's nice and thick. And some tea-dyed pocket. So tons of journaling space for you guys. I mean, whoever purchases this has lots of journaling space. I like to leave a lot of journaling space. And, you know, you can add your own, however you want to do your own flair, I guess, to it. And some more cluster, more paint paper here. And then this is a coffee dyed paper. And if you guys want to see how I did this kind of effect on the coffee paper, I will put that in the right-hand corner for you. It's really fun. It's a fun little, the way you make it look darker in spots. It's like a marble. I called it like marble. And then some Tim Holtz here. Little cards. Some more stenciling. Oh, there's a little pocket. I'll have to find something to put in that little pocket. A little Red Riding Hood. There we go. Okay. And I love this wood stencil. I think it's so much fun. And then I thought this was cute. I did a printout. And it says, "Don't bother me, I'm sleeping." Little kitty. So it goes with the kitty theme. So that's fun. So you got that one. And then another little kitty right here and some stencils. If you can see the little kitty. Just laying in the field. I thought that was kind of neat. And then just a collage on the back here. And it's got such a cool texture. It's so much fun. Okay, and then some more journaling cards just back here. Some stuff to play with. And a little pocket. So there we go. That is the kitty journal. If you could, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.